Right, strange times demand a strange video. So today's strange video is we are going to have a look at this Land Rover Defender Transformer toy. Different, random. Now, apparently it is going to change from a Land Rover Defender. Look, that's like the panel gap on our Defender, George, there. See that? That's just like ours, isn't it? George is amazed because he can get his fingers through the holes on our Defender. Right, and it's going to turn into something that looks like this. So I thought, well, that's good. That looks good. RS. There you go. Transformer. And this, actually, you can buy this from Land Rover. So this is genuine pucker, authorised Land Rover merchandise with a very Chinese-looking label. I wonder if that says Land Rover. Do you know, in China, Land Rover is called Luhu, which means land tiger. Which is quite good if you think about it. It's because they're sort of... Right, anyway, we digress. I told you these are strange times. This lockdown's going to my head, isn't it, George?
Yeah.
We're getting a bit mad here. Anyway, right then. And then we've got... We like Cameros, don't we? We like Bumble-bee. So we've got a similar Camero. So we're going to have a look. Which one? British. Made in China. But British versus American. Right, let's stop waffling. Let's get on. Right then, George. What we got here? Unboxing videos. Okay, he's got all those nice cars, George. What do I drive? Honda Civic. It's only because I've lent my Astra to someone. Right. I love reading these in, not the Chinese bits, but some of them. They'll come. We'll have a look at that later. There'll be some highlights in there. I guarantee there'll be some random gems. Like, do not use this on a road or something. That's what I did on that suitcase tour. Oh, right. There we go, one box. Here we go. Oh, getting into these. I should have bought some scissors, George. There we go. Oh, how are we going to get... We've got shares in sellotape, these people, haven't we? Oh, here we go.
Oh, that sound.
Oh, you don't like that sound?
No, I don't.
I can't do polystyrene now. This one. Right then. There it is. Right, is that everything?
Looks
Right.
like it.
That looks like everything. Let's do this one first. We'll leave Camero till later. We're in the front garden today. That's how weird. Right. There you go. That's it. It's got wheels. Right then. Right. Now apparently it takes some batteries somewhere. I reckon under there. Right, let's go and grab some screwdriver. 2.4 gigahertz. Right then. Right, let's go and get the thing and we'll have a look at that. Right, we got some AAA. So you need 3 AAAs. They don't come with those. JCB batteries. Whatever next. Right then. Get that in there. Screw that on there. Right then. And we have got, I won't turn it on yet, we've got an on-off switch there. Right. What is that? No, we've got left and right and up, forward and back. There we go. So I guess there's no button that, oh, hold on, there's a button there and a button there. I wonder if one of them transforms and untransforms, and that's sort of forwards and back and left and right, I'm guessing. We should read the instructions, really. Right, and what have we got on the back here? Right, now this takes AA batteries. Now I did just practice this, but I was struggling to open it. It won't open, but you've got to push that little battery carrier in to get that out. It's a bit sort of spring-loaded, and it won't let you pull it out. Now, have they got it with the screws that don't fall out? I like that. When they do that, we like that, don't we, George? You see that? They've got a little, so it doesn't fall out, otherwise you're scrabbling over the floor. Now, is there any particular... Okay, so the 2 contacts are there, so when we get it in, we've got to make sure we get it that way, not that way. Right, what have we got here? A load of AA batteries here. Right, I'll get these in. Right, we've got our batteries all loaded into the little carrier pod. Yeah, that's quite clever because it makes sure they're in for me. Right, now I reckon I'm going to have to push that in. Get that little... I've got to really push that in to get that. Right, are we ready, George?
I don't know.
Is the excitement killing you? Right, here we go. Right, let's... I don't want to lose my fingers. Here we go. Right.
Wow, that
I've
is.
never known.
Jedi rebirth. Shoot the target. 1, 2, 3. Deformation. Alright, man. Enough.
Right, I understood about half of that. Right, then. Right, here we go. Let's have a look. So let's see. Right, we've got to turn this on. I've never known any defender sound quite as throaty as that. Whoa! Okay, so that one's a rotating. Whoa! Easy now. Right, and that one's oh forward. Hold on, let's rotate that way a bit. Oh look, he normally tips back. Like he nearly tips backwards. Let me see if I can get him to tip backwards. Hold on. Alright, let's go forwards and then jam it in reverse. Oh, back easy now. Oh, he's got lights. But when you go in reverse, the brake lights come on. Not reverse. Well, right, has he got any other features, George? Oh, he's got headlights when he's turning and going forwards. There you go. Right, let's have a look what these other buttons do here. We haven't read the instructions. We'll read those in a minute. Oh. You have to press and hold it.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's alright. Oh!
Whoa.
Easy now. Hold on, am I holding it there? Whoa.
Gee. Coop, do you want to put it on a different surface?
Yeah,
so it doesn't...
George is try him off road a bit. How does he cope on our little? Oh, I think that little wheel underneath is struggling.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got a problem with his axle articulation there. Right, you need a big surface for that, right? Okay, so that's that, right? And what does this other button do? I guess this other button untransforms him, does it? Oh, he's having a moment. What? He's possessed by the devil. Whoa, that was lucky. Mate, I'd calm down a bit if I was you. He does like a full show. Yeah, I don't know if he's going to stop. Stop. There you go. Right. That's that. Let's read the instructions now. Right, we'll find the highlights in the instruction. Right, so we've worked it out. This is the demo button, and that's when it just freaks out and does its own thing, like it's on some non-prescribed drug or something. This one here, this one is the transformer nod. So if you press that one, it will go back to a car. Yep, my Defender doesn't sound like that. And then you press it and hold it again. Right, and apparently what it's going to sound, it says there comes light and sounds, and it says RS Man Jedi Rebirth, shoot the target, 1, 2, 3, deformation. Right, bit random. And the only other classic we could find is do not operate your car on the streets where people gather or under high voltage wires. Stay safe. Wise words in these times. Right, that's enough of that. Let's get on with the Camero. Right, here we go. In this bumper episode, 2 remote control cars for the price of 1 video. Look at this. Oh, we've got sellotape up again. Random. You've got to get the instructions. Here we go. Right. You like this noise?
Oh.
Right then. Let's have a look. Is that everything out? What have we got in here? Oh, we got a charging lead. This one is rechargeable, I think. Oh, we got like a little battery
That is
pack.
a dodgy lead.
Dodgy looking battery pack. Right, so let's have a quick scout about, have a look. Right, so we've got a similar setup with a similar wheel. I wonder if the like the undercarriage of these two actually is similar. It's not dissimilar, is it? You got the same sort of mechanism. Right then. Right, here we go. So let's have a look. Well, we don't need a screwdriver for this one. So that's good. So we should better get in here. He says. Oh, I think I've got to get that. Yeah, I've got to press that little bit down. Right, and I guess we're going to insert the battery pack in there. Thank you, George. Right. Which way does he go in? Yeah, that should be right. There you go. Right. It's a bit small for the space. So what's it saying? DC 3.7 volts. Put that back. Right. Is there an on-off switch on this one? I can't see an on-off. Oh, here we go. Yeah, there's a switch here. We've got an on-off switch, so we'll leave that for the minute. We'll wait till we got that one. Right then. Here we go. Alright. Right, I wonder if this one's got a losable screw. What do you reckon, George? We have a look. Yeah, losable screw. The Defender wins on that score. Because that's a bit dodgy, because kids can get in. Right, we need a couple more AA batteries. Let's get a couple more AA batteries and we'll give this a go. Right, I've put the new batteries in there. So right, we got, oh, he's flashing. Has he got an on-off switch on this one? It's kind of cool when you got the on-off switch, because it... Right, am I missing something here, George?
No.
There is no on-off switch. So we've got... Let's have a look what controls we've got before I put the batteries in here. So we've got left and right, up and down. But where's the transform button?
Up here, maybe?
Oh, yeah, look. Oh, so do you reckon that John has got the demo mode and the...
Yeah.
But we've got no on-off, so I guess... Which is a bit annoying, because if you want to, like, put it down and not play for it for a while... and I don't know what the flashing light means. We'll read the instructions in a minute. So that's... Right, that's that one. Right. Now, the thing that's going to be interesting is this obviously came with that rechargeable battery. Is it ready to play, or have we got to charge it up? So let's have a look. There he is. Right, let's turn him on. Right.
Am portable, and am the peace envoy of the earth. Let us go for battle for the earth peace.
Oh. Right.
Probably some copyrighted music.
Oh. Let me see if I can get him to go over. No, he seems pretty good, right? So yeah, he's pretty... So he does much the same. Right then, right, let's see what this button does. Oh, we've got to keep pressing him. That's pretty cool. Right, here we go. Right, let's do the other... Oh no, this might be the demo one. Or is that the... Yeah, so this one hasn't got the demo sort of freak mode. Right, and we need to find a bit of... We need to have a race now, don't we, George?
Yeah.
We need to find a bit of flat ground. We reckon that bit of concrete down there will do. Right, let's line these up. Let's have a race. Right, we've got the cars ready. We're lined up. I've got my daughter on the camera. We've got George there. George has chosen the Defender. You reckon you're going to win with that, don't you? I've got the Camero, and it's the first one to crash into the Wendy house. Pan Wendy house. Right then, Elise, are you going to count us in?
3, 2, 1, go!
Are you so... The ground's uneven, no. Ah, champion. Right, we'll have a go. One more go. Yeah. Alright, best of 3. Let's have a look. Start. Right, okay, so here we go. George reckons the ground was uneven on that stand. Yeah. So, right, here we go. Right, you ready? Right, count us in, Elise.
3, 2, 1, go!
What? No. Oh, no. That was straightforward. Oh. Alright, what's going on here? So have a practice. Okay. Right, George, you're a rubbish driver. You blame the car. So here we go. I'm on the Defender now. Count us in, Elise.
3, 2, 1, go!
No. Oh, yes! Again! Take the L, son. Right, hope you've enjoyed that. Right, we'll do some more serious videos later.